To find the lesson planning resources, you need to go to the Wilson Academy PLC again and log in. And you have to click on the Prevention Early Intervention tab. This time you're going to click on Print Materials. And when you get to the print materials, you are going to click on Planning. And you can see there is an extensive amount of documents and information on the Planning tab. You will want to explore this and look at things that are for your grade level. A couple things I want to show you is this document was the one I had you print early on, Foundations Lesson Planning at a Glance. Here are the daily plans that you can type into or you can print out and write into. If you want to see a sample plan, you can look here and click on your level and see an example plan. And then down towards the bottom, you will see something that says activity strips, and I just want to show you that quickly. I'm going to click on that. These activity strips, some teachers use, print off, and use in their classroom. They'll laminate them and usually either use in a pocket chart or maybe put magnets on the back. And they'll put them up on their boards in their foundations area for students to see each day so they know what components are in the foundations lessons that day. It just gives students an idea of what to expect, and it's also a guide that's right there in front of you to help you guide your lessons each day. So if that's something you think you might want to use, you can find those activity strips on the lesson planning site on the Wilson Academy under activity strips. I would encourage you to explore this area of the PLC so that you know what resources you have available when you are creating your lesson plans. Enjoy!